my Bangkok condo. Let's take a tour, shall we? Okay, it's in a very quiet neighborhood. I like that it's not in the middle of the city. It was on the outskirts somewhat. Very secure as we walk up the driveway. This is the main entrance that you would go in. Beautiful lobby, well appointed.
How are you?
Okay, let's go in and go up to the 8th floor and have a look at all the amenities. We're in the gym. The gym is fully equipped with some of the best equipment that you would use to work out. I actually enjoyed working out in this gym. Lots to do in there. And it was never crowded. The most I would see in here was perhaps 3 other people. Fully equipped. On the other side, they actually had a boxing ring. Because as you know, Muay Thai is very popular in Thailand. And if you go down one level, you will get to the other amenities, including the pool. As you walk down the stairs. Pretty chill area. Like I said earlier, it's never crowded. The most I've ever seen is perhaps 1 or 2 other people. Right now it's about 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m. in the morning. So it's pretty quiet. This is the pool. Full lap pool. And again, now this would be the 7th floor. Beautiful pool. I like that there's a lot of mixture of greenery here on this level. Like you would think that you're outside. But they really did a great job with bringing green space to the 7th and 8th floor. Beautiful area. You could sit out and just relax. As you can see, there's a bird flying around. Just to give you some more detail of the area. Very relaxing area to just chill. Sit right by the pool or some of the chairs that are over on the side. And as we get closer over here, there are more lounge chairs to sit out. Beautiful area. The lounge chairs, and then there's an outside shower if you want to shower before or after you've gotten out of the pool. All right, and right across from the pool are some of the co-working areas. This room is used for co-cooking. Like you could bring a couple of friends over to do some cooking together if you wish. And then further down here was one of the enclosed co-working space. People would sit here and do work on their laptop if they wish. Throughout the entire building was Wi-Fi. Wouldn't have to worry about that. There was plenty of space for you to have a meeting with friends or just meet up and do some work or not. Well decorated. I spent lots of hours in this area. When I didn't feel like going out into the town, I would get some work done here. Shared workspace. It's all well appointed. Lots of seating. And right outside the glass, lots of greenery. I really enjoyed hanging in this area. It was a very chill vibe. And usually there's not a lot of people. Maybe 3-4 individuals would be sitting, doing work or just on their laptop. The beautiful view of the city as well through the window. Floor-to-ceiling windows. And then right outside you had other seating areas as we move towards where the elevators are. And on the other side were the children playroom. We're not going to go and look at that, but there's a huge several rooms for children beyond this one. This is another private meeting room that you could actually reserve if you wanted some space to meet up with folks. You could do that here. All you had to do was just fill in the appointment calendar that was on the door, and you could use the room. Well-appointed quality furnishing. Okay, we're back out to where the pool is, and on the other side of the pool you had sauna. Here's a list of all the things: sauna, this is where we take the stairway back up to where the gym is. And you can see the view. Gorgeous. Here we are on the rooftop. This building is about 40 floors high. And from here you can see the entire view of the city. Gorgeous view of the city from up here. Kitchen, the refrigerator, sink is a little table, and some cabinets to put snacks. It's in the refrigerator, some lemon drink perhaps. Some snacks. Balcony and covered under the gray cover is the washer, which I never used because they have washroom service in the building. And this is a full one bedroom. As we move into the bedroom, you can see there's a queen size bed. Not bad a space. It's very practical decoration. Wardrobe to hang clothes and so forth. Put all your stuff here in the unit. Size wardrobe, mirror. And then here we can move right into the bathroom. The bathroom was a decent size. Typical bathroom. Very minimal decoration.